Hello guys, today we will see how to draw using Scratch. We all know we can draw using the Scratch paint editor, and we can draw few shapes like this which will become as a separate sprite. But there is also a way to draw other than the paint editor. It's using the extension called pen. We'll see how to do that today. To do that, we'll delete the existing cat sprite and we'll choose a sprite which will help us draw. So today we'll choose a pencil so that it's drawing for us. Before we start, it's very important that we go to extension here and choose the extensions which are available in the Scratch. There are actually many extensions, namely text to speech, music, translate and much more. Today we are going to use the pen extension to draw. If you see here, there are many blocks which has come especially for drawing and different for changing the pen color, size, etc. We'll get started with when the green flag is clicked. It's very important that we go to pen and choose the pen down block which will actually help us draw something on screen. And now we'll check with move 10 steps. So it's actually drawing a line which is very small because we have only added 10 steps. Now we'll actually make it look like the tip of the pencil is drawing the line. To do that, we'll go to costumes and we'll select the entire pencil and keep the tip at the center point so that it actually looks like the tip is drawing. So we'll check by changing to a different position. Yes, it draws fine. Now we'll try drawing a simple shape which is a triangle. To do that, we'll change it to move 100 steps and add a wait block for maybe 0.5 seconds. And to draw a triangle, it's important that we add a turn block and change it to 120 degrees. Now we'll check if it draws. So it is drawing a line. Yes, it's drawing a triangle perfectly fine. Now, yes, we'll have to click 3 times to draw a triangle, right? We can actually automate that by adding a repeat block and repeating it for 3 times since the triangle has 3 sides. Now we'll check. So I just clicked once and the pencil is completely drawing the triangle fine. Yeah, but we are moving the pencil each and every time to a different position to draw a triangle, right? We can actually automate that. We can go to for our loop and put it here and add a move block and make it move 100 steps. Now since the screen is clumsy, to check, we'll actually go to pen and give erase all so that all the drawings are erased. Now we'll check whether the code works. So I'm going to click on the green flag. Yes, it actually draws the triangle perfectly fine in a continuous motion. Yes, so it's repeating here because it has hit the edge. Actually, as I was telling in the beginning, we can actually change the pen color and we can keep it to our desired colors and change it accordingly. So this way it will actually set the pen color and we can actually change the pen size by 1, or whenever the green flag is clicked, we can actually set the pen size and so on. So you can actually add in your thoughts by adding different shapes such as square, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon, etc. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.